all of my fellow last-minute shoppers, this is our time. If you're like me, you probably haven't bought a single Christmas present yet, and that's okay. And I'm not trying to rob you of the battlefield glory at the mall, fighting for the best deals, but if you want to shop from the comfort of your own lazy boy, I got you. Now, we have some amazing gifts for the crafter, maker, or heat presser in your life. So don't worry, Santa, the elves at Heat Press Nation have got you covered. But before we move on, let me tell you, Monday, December 16th, it's just a few days away, but that's actually the last day that you have to place your order and have it delivered by Christmas. So if you've been putting off your holiday shopping, don't put it off anymore. Go ahead and place your orders today. If you're looking for some stocking stuffers, here are two tools I absolutely love. The first is the HPN Craft Pro Vinyl Scrap Catcher. The scrap catcher holds all of your vinyl scraps as you're weeding. It's worn like a double ring, so it's close to the action at all times, and it comes in mint or pink. The HPN Craft Pro Tumbler Transfer Clamp is a nifty little tool for prepping sublimation tumblers. It holds the transfer tightly in place so you can tape it down. And both of these tools are items that you don't realize you need at first, but once you try them, you won't be able to live without them. Leading off the under $75 category, we have our Soft Fusion pressing pillows. These pillows allow you to press near problem areas on garments like thick seams, zippers, buttons, etc. They also help minimize the appearance of press marks on synthetic fabrics, so it's an essential tool for every heat presser. Now, this next product is new for 2024. It's the Impress Manual Hat Heat Press, and this is a machine from Locklick by HTV Run. I know you know that name. It's available in white or blue, and with this special curved manual heat press, you could imprint all over your hats with your favorite heat transfers. And yes, I did say under $75. Now, if Santa's trying to stay under $250, we have one of the best deals on the market right now. The HPN Craft Pro Mug and Tumbler Press is an amazing machine for customizing the most popular drinkware items on the planet, and that's going to be coffee mugs and skinny tumblers. It comes in white, mint, or pink, and best of all, it's on mega sale right now at 60% off. And speaking of mega sales, the HPN Vinyl Systems Specialist 28-inch cutter is on sale at 50% off. Now, this cutting machine is big, fast, and precise. It comes with software, a stand, and a media catch basket, and all of this under $250. It's a no-brainer. In the under $500 section, we have the Craft Pro 15 by 15-inch heat press. Now, I know it has craft in the name, but this is a solid little workhorse. HTV, sublimation, direct-to-film, heat transfer paper, all of these are no problem. It also has my favorite heat press feature of all time, the slide-out lower platen, which makes pressing easier and safer than on a fixed platen machine. Now, if the maker in your life already has a t-shirt press, build up their arsenal with a Signature Series cap and label combo press. This machine has interchangeable components that handle both hats and small flat areas, perfect for things like short sleeves and neck labels. And if the little boy or girl on Santa's list has been extra good all year long, we do have a few gifts in our under $1,000 category. Give the gift of a new sublimation business with the Sawgrass SG500 sublimation printer. With Sawgrass, you're not just getting a printer, you're getting a business in a box, thanks to the included print manager, designer, and marketplace, which are all included. The Caesar Romeo 24-inch cutting machine is a true work of art and technology. First off, it's gorgeous, and it has a very intuitive and easy-to-use touchscreen control. The operation is so fast and quiet, it rivals the servo motors on machines that are twice as expensive. Honestly, there are so many features, I can't possibly fit them all in this gift guide, but please just trust me, this is a killer machine. Our final category is what I like to call the Santa Baby category. Now, there aren't any yachts or Tiffany rings here, but these gifts are solid investments into your loved one's creative business endeavors. First up is the Epson SureColor F570 large format sublimation printer. This machine can print sheets from letter to tabloid sizes, but its real strength is the ability to load rolls of paper up to 24 inches wide. The F570 can print huge single graphics, or you can gang together tons of smaller prints in a single run. And don't worry about expensive ink cartridges. With Epson's large refillable ink tanks, your ink cost per print is going to be lower than ever. And last but not least, we have the Prestige R2, direct-to-film printer and oven bundle from DTF Station. DTF printing is one of the biggest waves to hit the garment decoration industry. It's everywhere. And with all the different DTF printers and brands that are out there, it's important to make sure that your loved one is set up with a high-quality printer with top-notch support. This bundle has everything they'll need to print and cure DTF transfers. And not only that, it's backed up by the awesome technical support teams at both DTF Station and Heat Press Nation. In the words of Clark W. Griswold, that's it. That's the big one. All of these amazing gifts are available at Heat Press Nation. In addition to what we've shown in this gift guide, there are literally thousands of other items available on our site. But let me warn you, if you prefer your gifts to be under a Christmas tree rather than on the back of a FedEx truck, order now. You can call our friendly team of experts at 800-215-0894 or order online at heatpressnation.com. Merry Christmas and happy gifting.